Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook oats with milk. Combine 1 cup oats and 2 cups milk in a saucepan, add a pinch of salt, and bring to a gentle simmer. Stir frequently to prevent sticking and cook until creamy, about 5 minutes. Finish with your favorite toppings and serve warm for a comforting breakfast that is quick and satisfying. Start by measuring oats and milk, then toast the oats for a minute for a nuttier taste if you like. Pour in milk and warm gently until it reaches a simmer, then lower the heat. Stir regularly to achieve an even texture and avoid burning on the bottom. Remove from heat when creamy and spoon into bowls, adding toppings while still warm to maximize flavor and aroma. Customize your oats with simple additions that lift every spoonful. Stir in a drizzle of honey or maple syrup, or top with fresh fruit and crunchy nuts for contrast. A dash of cinnamon or a splash of vanilla extract will add warmth and depth without extra effort. For protein and texture, try nut butter or chia seeds and adjust sweetness at the end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.